Welcome to an important update from Odisha University of Technology and Research, Bhubaneswar. The university has officially announced a tender for the supply of laboratory equipment and software for the robotics laboratory under the School of Mechanical Sciences. This opportunity is open to original equipment manufacturers, distributors, and authorized dealers. The process will be conducted online through a two-bid system, ensuring transparency and fair competition. All interested parties are Aming is everything in the tender process. The tender documents are available for download from September 10, 2025 at 6:00 p.m. until October 9, 2025 at 6:00 p.m. All bids must be uploaded before the final deadline of October 9, 2025 6:00 p.m. The technical bids will be opened on October 10, 2025 at 11:00 a.m. Participate in this tender, bidders must meet specific eligibility requirements. These include being a registered legal entity in India, such as a company, partnership, or proprietorship. Bidders should have at least 3 years of experience in supplying laboratory equipment for robotics labs. Additional requirements include a minimum average annual turnover of Rs 100 lakhs over the last 3 financial years, valid GST registration, and a PAN number. Scope of this tender covers the supply, installation, and commissioning of various equipment and software for the robotics laboratory. The selected vendor will be responsible for delivering and setting up all items as per the technical specification, ensuring full functionality and integration. On-site training for users is also required, so the laboratory staff can effectively operate the new system. The goal is to enhance the research and learning environment for students and faculty. All bids must be submitted electronically through the eProcurement Tenders Odisha portal. Bidders are required to register on the portal, create a unique username and password, and upload their bids using a valid digital signature certificate. The process is designed to be secure and user-friendly, but it's important to start early to avoid technical issues. Remember, no physical, postal, or email submissions will be accepted. Only online submissions through the designated portal will be. Tender follows a two-bid system. Cover 1 is the technical bid, and Cover 2 is the price bid. The technical bid must include all qualification documents, scanned copies of the EMD and tender fee, and other required forms. The price bid, submitted in the prescribed BOQ format, should contain your financial offer. Both covers must be uploaded before the submission deadline. This structure ensures a fair and transparent evaluation process, separating technical qualification. Bidders must pay a non-refundable tender fee of Rs 1,000 and an earnest money deposit MD of Rs 52,000. Both payments should be made via demand draft in favor of Odisha University of Technology and Research, payable at Bhubaneswar. MSE bidders may be exempted from EMD upon submitting valid documentation. The original DD must be sent by speed post or courier to the registrar before the submission day. Tender includes a detailed list of equipment and software required for the robotics laboratory. Items include robotics lab solutions with real-time data acquisition system, embedded GPU kits for deep learning, system graphic consoles for software development, and LabVIEW software licenses. Each item has specific technical requirements, such as processor types, memory, camera resolution, and software compatibility. Bidders must carefully review these specifications. Before submitting your bid, make sure to review all instructions and requirements in the tender document. Prepare all necessary documents, such as registration certificates, financial statement, and proof of similar work. Scan and organize your files for easy uploading. Use the My Space feature on the eProcurement portal to store standard documents. Double-check that your technical and price bids are complete and compliant with the specified formats to avoid rejection. Once the bids are submitted, the technical bids will be opened and evaluated first. Only those bidders who meet all eligibility and technical criteria will proceed to the financial bid stage. The financial bids will then be opened for qualified bidders, and the contract will be awarded to the lowest overall price, L1 bidder. The process is designed to ensure fairness and transparency, with all decisions communicated through the eProcurement portal. Contract will be awarded to the bidder whose offer is technically suitable and financially lowest. The successful bidder must provide a performance guarantee equal to 10% of the contract value, valid for days beyond the warranty period. Delivery of all items must be completed within 45 days of the purchase order. Installation, commissioning, and on-site training are mandatory and must be provided at no extra cost to the university. Comprehensive on-site warranty for 1 year is required for all supplied equipment and software. The warranty period begins after successful installation and acceptance by the user. Any defects or issues discovered during this period must be addressed promptly by the supplier, including repair or replacement at no additional cost. This ensures the university receives reliable and fully functional system for its robotics laboratory. Both the university and bidders are expected to uphold the highest standards of integrity throughout the tender process. No bribes, gifts, or unfair advantages are permitted. All bidders must commit to fair practices and refrain from any corrupt or illegal activity. Any violation may result in disqualification and further legal action. This code ensures a level playing field and protects the interests of all stakeholders. Contract includes provisions for force majeure events, such as natural disaster or unforeseen circumstances beyond the supplier's control. If such events prevent performance for more than days, either party may terminate the contract without financial penalty. The university also reserves the right to terminate the contract for default if the supplier fails to meet obligation, with possible forfeiture of the performance guarantee. Prospective bidders are strongly advised to regularly check the university website and the e-procurement tenders Odisha portal for any updates, core agenda or amendments. All official communications and clarifications will be posted there. For technical queries, contact Prof. Saroj Kumar Pradhan at 9 Arab 43 crore 71,57,631 or SK Pradhan at Outer ACN. Stay proactive and informed to ensure your bid is complete.